Is that your car outside? Today you don't come with ordinary car. Today you come with car.
I was waiting for you to ask you that.
I know. I saw you coming here with the car. You was swagging up.
You know, people like we don't like to brag too much. You know, but I mean, it's one of those one of my things.
You don't like to brag the car.
One of my cars.
Even the way you park the car outside is bragging, uncle.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me.
Normally, the way that car is built, it's supposed to have its own special park space. And you don't park it anywhere. Normally, before I park that car, you have to put rug on the floor. That's what you call red carpet.
A red carpet only for the car.
Only for the car. The car is not a red carpet.
You enjoy life, though.
That is a Mercedes as you are saying it.
What type of Mercedes? A new one, or I just see from outside it's fine. I haven't seen the inside.
This is Mercedes. Do it yourself.
I understand.
You don't know why I call it do it yourself.
I don't understand.
This Mercedes, you don't need to do anything. You just sit down in the car.
Yeah.
Press one button.
Yeah.
And tell the car where you are going to. The car will take you there.
Are you sure?
What do you? Is it your car?
Oh,
do you know how much?
I'm sorry for doubting your words.
You know how? And this car, it is only two of us that have this car in the world.
Which year? Which year?
This car?
Yes.
This is 2028 model. We are not there yet, but I'm already driving the car.
Uncle, you are one special kind of.
See, I said it is only me and one other person that has the car in the world.
Who's the other one?
Me and Cristiano Ronaldo. Finish. Do you know why?
No.
Because he's a very good friend of mine. Yes, so when I was buying the car,
of course,
they told me that they cannot just give it out to one person because they know they have to do they cannot just only one. So they have to buy in box. You understand? So I have to buy many. So that's how the only way they can produce the car. So I said, who will I give this car to? So I thought about a very good friend of mine, Cristiano Ronaldo. I was like, he loves cars so much. So let me get him one. That was how we bought two. So it is only me and Cristiano Ronaldo that has a car. And let me tell you something. He cannot even drive his own now. You know why?
Why?
Because I have to drive it first, at least for a month before he can drive his own.
You know people, you know people, uncle.
Of course.
You know.
I'm an international man. And this car, I've not even told you what the car can do. First of all, if you are driving this car, there is no way you can have accidents.
Are you sure?
Never.
So you don't fear for accidents?
Nobody can hit you, you cannot hit anybody.
Hey, uncle.
Immediately a car
want to go there?
Hit you. The car will just get up and will hang itself up. When the other one is gone, it will come up.
Tell me about the inside with the equipment inside. What's inside?
In this car, you don't need
just ordinary design or
there is no steering in the car. You just go there, sit down, just tell the car where you are going to. I'm going to number 26. It's gone. The car will take you there. You don't need to do anything. Do you know the last time I traveled with the car to Rome, I was sleeping. It was a night trip. I slept. I left here in less than 5 hours. I was already there.
Uncle.
I was already.
Can you borrow me the car for just one day? I just want to go pick somebody. God forbid for him.
You can never drive. The way I'm looking at you, I don't think you have even showered. If you don't shower, you cannot enter the car. The car will not open. The only thing that is not in the car, I was the one that told them not to put it. The car, you cannot withdraw money from ATM. That's the only thing that's on the car.
Now you're like night rider.
If your clothes is not ironed and you enter the car, automatically no way to open. Automatically the car will iron your shirt. Your clothes will be straight.
This is 2028 for you.
Do you know that if you have winter outside and you want to experience summer, enter the car. The car will take you straight to summer.
Shit.
You can even do holiday inside the car without stepping out. There's a swimming pool inside the car.
Hey, uncle, I think it's enough.
There's a swimming pool.
I don't know how to believe you, but
you can even do sports inside. There's a table tennis where you can play.
Where is the swimming pool? For where you put the swimming pool for that car?
Where I put it?
Where does it fit inside the car? The swimming pool.
You are asking too many questions. I am telling you what my car.
And you are telling me so much, uncle. You're telling me.
Inside the car, you will see where the swimming pool is. Is it your car or is my car?
It's my uncle's car now. So technically, it's also my car, uncle. If you die, who go in that car? No, be me.
If you have that car, you cannot die. I tell you, you want me to die? It should not happen.
No, you don't go die.
Let me go and check it the car so that nobody can. I will not die with the car.